You've seen some interesting interfaces with drawable and likable, but let me give you another very common reason why people like to use interfaces, and that is to be able to reuse an algorithm. Consider a common algorithm to compute an average. Here I have an array of countries, each of which has a name and an area, and I want to know what is the average area of all of these countries. Now, of course, I could write a loop to compute that, but let's say I want to have a method that does this for any set of countries. So I'd like you to complete this method that takes an array of countries. For each of them, find out what the area is simply by calling the getArea method, add up all those areas, and then return the average.